making pancake. Hi! Subscribe to my channel, Pancakes.
What are you making, sweetie?
A pancake.
And what's your favorite mix? What is it mixed with?
It's mixed with this flour.
Flour. Oh, this is a Mickey Mouse pancake. Wow.
It's a heart shape.
Are you excited?
Yeah. I'm making it as dry, and I'm making with eggs.
Wow.
I'm mixing it and I can mix it all around.
So it's time to put a butter in the pan, because the pan is gonna hot now. We're using an Anchor butter. Wow. Okay, wait for a few minutes. We'll be back. No. You have to wait. You have to wait till it cooks. It cooks from the top. And we're gonna flip it. Are you excited? Can you sing? I'm so excited.
I can't hide it. If he kaboo, yeah, baby girl. Down along the mountains, come around the sea. Deep blue sea, come along. You can make me darling. Come, chameleon.
Judy, this is how you cook it, Judy. You have to wait till it bubbles on top of it. You know what I mean? You have to adjust the light. Adjust the heat, I mean. Adjust the heat. Kama, Dharma. Yeah, okay, it's almost done or no?
It's almost done.
No, not yet.
Hi, I'm getting the good movie of this pancake.
What?
If you say you know and it's funny. I don't know what this is. I got this. It's a new pan, and this is one, and this is two.
See, sweetie, it's bubbling. It's starting to bubble. See this? It's starting to bubble. When it bubbles all over, we have to flip it. That means it's cooked on the other side. Right? Gonna flip it. Say wait for a few minutes. We'll be back. It's cooked, so we're trying to cook the other side of the pancake. How does it smell, sweetheart?
Good.
Wow.
It's a heart.
You know, it's kind of a big oval. It's not a perfect shape, but it's still nice. You want to imagine its heart?
Yes. Heart.
Can you make a heart shape using your hand?
Hi, you two. We're on the team of you and me. I love this.
This is a mommy and you team.
And we... Good.
Is it good? Good morning. Yum, yum. Mommy makes yummy pancake. Courtesy of Magnolia. Pancake mix. Why are you laughing, Daddy? Daddy's gonna distracted Mommy because he was trying to read something. And it made him laugh. Excuse me, Daddy. Yummy.
Subscribe to my channel.